Hi, I'm Melissa from Echo Consulting, and today we'll be reviewing 5 of our favorite time-saving features in Monday.com. We love Monday.com because it allows anyone to customize to their organization's needs easily by combining no-code building blocks. The first feature I want to highlight that we recommend to everyone that saves a lot of time is the Template Center. When starting out in any new platform like this, we recommend starting from templates instead of starting from scratch, as a lot of them have already a really great template center with a multitude of templates already built out for probably similar use cases for what you needed to, that then can give you a starting point to alter and customize to your needs. It's not going to be perfect for your organization, but it saves you so much time rather than building from scratch. So to go to the Template Center in Monday.com, just select this Add button, and you'll see that you have the option to add a new board, doc, dashboard, but we're going to select Choose from Templates, and that's going to take us to the Template Center. So from here, we'll have the ability to kind of search for what we're looking for. So if we're looking for project management, we can select project management, kind of look at the different options they have, some multi-project, agile, single project, portfolio, and just select the closest use case to us that we're looking for. And again, we're going to have to alter it, but it gives you a really great starting point and saves you a lot of time. Once you have your requirements set up and the standards, then you can create templates for your account and save your unique boards as templates, and then you'll find your templates here under templates created from your account. But we'll do a separate video on best practices when creating templates and utilizing templates to standardize for your organization. That's another thing that we recommend for everyone. The next feature I want to go over is the favorites bar. Monday.com offers this really nice menu bar on the left-hand side that allows you to kind of access a lot of what you need in just a few short clicks. The favorites bar being the star is one of them. We recommend saving all your most used items to your favorites bar, as once your workspace gets built out, you'll have so much stuff to sort through that it can be hard to find what you're looking for. And being able to access something that you need to utilize every day, whether it's a create log or if you're doing marketing, a content calendar, in this favorites bar, it really saves you time from searching. So we're going to go back to work management and select the content calendar. And now we've already added it as a favorite. So we are going to remove it just so I can show you on the right-hand side up here. Next to the title, just select add to favorites, or you can also do it under these 3 dots as well. You can remove it from favorites and add it here as well for each item. The next feature that we find saves a lot of time is the updating with batch actions. That allows you to update more than one item at once. And now this isn't going to be something that you use all the time, especially a lot of times what you're updating is unique. But if you need to go in and update a lot of items, whether it's assigning it to someone, changing the status, that type of thing, all at the same time, the ability to select and update them in batch really does save you a lot of time and unnecessary clicks. So say we want to update all of these, so we'll select these two and maybe this one, and we want to change the status. So I'm going to change the status to mitigated for all 3 of those, and that just kind of saved me from having to go back and do each individual one. And to complete the batch actions, again, on the left-hand side of each row, you'll see this checkbox. Just select the checkbox to select the ones that you want updated, and then update in the column, and it'll update them for all. The next feature I want to review is the Workflow Center. We are huge advocates for setting up automations and workflows and just taking that, especially when it comes to assigning people or moving items or status changes or dependencies, just because it does take that human data entry out of it, which can create errors and also causes a person a lot of time to have to update it in multiple places or change statuses or assign based on something that has changed, that type of thing. We find that Monday.com's workflow center is really nice and easy to navigate. It's all done in sentences, so when status changes to something, move item to group. It's very easy to follow and easy to kind of add in what requirements create what action. So say we want send a message to teams. So when a status changes to something, we want to notify someone in Teams. They already have a lot of pre-built out ones, but you can create your own custom workflows as well, and you can alter the workflows to meet your needs. So I'm going to say when a say impact is severe, we want to notify, and you can alter the message. A team, we're just going to do test. And then general channel. And then just click add to board. You'll see in the workflow center as well, you can turn on and off the different workflows that you already have, and you can edit them as well as needed, or you can even save them as templates. It's really easy to navigate, and just again, with being a time saver, saves a lot of time and makes it more efficient, and also kind of takes that human error out of it. So we really recommend trying to use these. We'll definitely do a more detailed overview of the workflow center and how to set up these automations and the different use cases at a later date, as it is very in depth, but this is just a high level overview of something that we find saves us a lot of time. The last feature I want to review is the Bolt Switch search. So especially, this is kind of a demo environment, but in your actual workspace, you will have a lot of folders and boards, and it can be tough to find what you're looking for. Now, while we recommend saving to your favorites, all your most used items, a lot of times there's stuff that comes up that you're looking for that isn't saved to your favorites because you might not access it every day. So go to the work management menu and scroll down to search with this lightning bolt and just select what you're looking for. So weekly to do, and it'll come up. As long as you have something that's in the title, when you search, it should pop right up and you'll be able to find it rather than kind of scrolling to search and remember exactly where it's located. So these are just a few of the many features we find makes life so much easier in Monday.com. We hope you found value in this video. Subscribe to our channel as we'll be building out more Monday.com content. If you're curious how Echo can support your team's optimization in Monday.com, check out our website and social links below, or set up a time to meet with us.